Hi guys, today we are going to see an unboxing video. I have ordered Faces Canada Kajal from Nykaa.com. So let's go to the review. This is how the packaging looks like. I ordered from Nykaa and I have one suggestion guys. If you really want original products, original cosmetic products, you have to order from Nykaa because up to my experience I have ordered the same kajal from so good. The packaging is so nice and safe. So see how they have given. Outer packaging is normal cardboard packaging, and inside that, to safeguard the kajal, they have wrapped with another cardboard paper so that it will be firm and it will not get disturbed. So let's go to the review. So it claims that it stays for 24 hours, but I don't think so. It definitely stays for more than 6 hours, and it is mentioned that it is it also claims that it gives you a deep black finish and it is enriched with vitamin E oil. So definitely you can buy this product, and I will swatch it for you so that you can be clear whether it is. It also claims that it is waterproof, so let's also check that. First we will remove that. The outer packaging looks like a normal pen packaging. It is refractable. You can just twist it up and down. It also claims that it is paraben free. It is free from preservatives. That is very good. So you can definitely go for this product as it is paraben free. So most of the products are coming with parabens that is so harmful for your skin. So please avoid that. Now I will swatch it on my hand so that you can look at the deep black finish on it. So it looks like this. It is deep dark black. You can definitely believe that. You can go for this. Now let's do the smudge proof test. So I have applied this kajal on my hand, and first you have to let it dry for 2 minutes, and then you can go for the smudge test. So I rubbed my hand but it doesn't go, it still stays on my hand. Now let's go for the waterproof test. So I'm just dropping 2 drops of water on it, but it still stays as it was before. So you can definitely go for this product. And I wrapped with my hand but still it is same. So it is nice and I recommend you this product. So guys, the cost of this pencil is 149 I think so, but I'll put in the description box. Two pencils I got for 275. You can buy it from Nykaa.com. So now I have applied on my eyes. Look at this guys, it is so nice. And thank you. Please share, subscribe.